Anchi, and I've been living in Germany for 3 years now. I learned English in Brazil, where I also had the opportunity to work in different English schools and get in touch with different methodologies and learning approaches that had great impact and contribution to this so beautiful and ongoing process that is the learning of a language. Today, I teach English, German, and Portuguese to students all over the world. And through the Easy English platform, you can also have the opportunity to get the boost you need to get you where you want to be. So, are you ready? Let's get started.